Harajuku is one of Tokyo's most fascinating areas, where you can find two very different worlds side by side. The peaceful Meiji Shrine with its traditional atmosphere, and the busy Takeshita Street filled with young people wearing unique and colorful fashion. Welcome to Motion Travel's 100 Things to Do in Tokyo. In this series, we'll explore Tokyo by dividing it into 10 areas, highlighting 10 must-see spots in each area. This is part 2 of our 10-part series. If you find a place you like, scan the QR code on Google Maps and add it to your favorites to create an itinerary for your next trip to Tokyo. Alright, let's get started. Meiji Shrine is a large and peaceful Shinto shrine located next to JR Harajuku Station, surrounded by beautiful natural scenery. Walking along its approach, visitors can escape the city's noise and enjoy a relaxing atmosphere. The shrine honors Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken, who played key roles in Japan's modernization. Guests can pray at the main hall, stroll through the gardens and forest, or soak in the serene setting. The shrine welcomes visitors from early morning until sunset. Admission is free. Number 12. Yoyogi Park is a large metropolitan park next to the Meiji Shrine, known for its lush natural environment. The park features open lawns and forest, making it a popular spot for jogging and picnics. In spring, cherry blossoms bloom beautifully while autumn brings vibrant fall colors, attracting many visitors. On weekdays, the event plaza hosts flea markets and music events, creating a space for cultural exchange. The park is open 24/7 and free to enter. With easy access from Harajuku and Yoyogi Hachiman stations, it's a perfect place to visit between sightseeing activities. Number 13. Located in Tokyo's vibrant youth culture district, Harajuku Station is your getaway to Japan's most exciting fashion and pop culture scene. The station has 3 exits. Use the west exit for Meiji Shrine, the east exit for Omotesando, and Takeshita exit for Takeshita Street. To transfer to the Tokyo Metro's Chiyoda or Fukutoshin lines at Meiji Jingu Station, head down the stairs near the east exit. The station's convenient location on the JR Yamanote line makes it easy to reach from major areas like Shinjuku and Shibuya. Number 14. Takeshita Street is a narrow pedestrian shopping street in the Harajuku district. Here you'll find an exciting mix of fashion boutiques, cute cafes, and colorful accessory shops packed side by side. The street is especially popular with young people and is known for its kawaii culture and affordable fashion. While the street gets crowded, particularly on weekends, it offers visitors a glimpse into modern Japanese youth culture and street fashion. Most shops are budget-friendly, making it a great place to pick up unique souvenirs or try some creative Japanese street food. Number 15. Omotesando is an elegant street that connects Harajuku Station to Aoyama and features a mix of high-end fashion boutiques, trendy cafes, and stunning modern architecture. International luxury brand occupies sleek buildings designed by famous architects, while the side streets hide charming local shops and restaurants. Tourists can easily spend hours exploring both the main boulevard and the quieter back streets. The area is lovely in winter when the trees are illuminated with thousands of LED lights. Number 16. Laforet Harajuku is a trendy shopping mall located in the heart of Harajuku. It is famous for its stylish fashion stores and unique items that you can't find anywhere else. The building has several floors with a mix of clothing, accessories, and pop-up shops featuring Japanese and international brands. It's a great spot to explore modern Japanese fashion and culture. The mall is easy to reach, just a short walk from Harajuku Station. Whether you're looking for the latest trends or just want to experience the energy of Harajuku, Laforet is worth visiting. Number 17. Cat Street in Harajuku is a popular pedestrian path about 1 kilometer long that links Shibuya and Harajuku. This street is lined with various shops, including high-end brands, vintage clothing stores, and cozy cafes. It's a great place to experience Tokyo's latest fashion trends and enjoy a relaxed atmosphere. Since cars are restricted in many parts, it's safe and pleasant for walking. Visitors can explore unique boutiques and take photos of the stylish surroundings. Number 18. The Japan National Stadium in Tokyo. Designed by architect Kengo Kuma, was the main venue for the Tokyo 2020 Olympic and Paralympic Games. The stadium can hold about 68,000 people and has modern facilities. Visitors can join guided tours to see areas like the athletes' locker rooms and the field, which are usually off limits. Tours are held irregularly and require advanced reservations. Check the official website for details. The nearest station is Kokuritsu Kyogijo Station on the Toei Oed line, just a minute walk away. It's also about a 5-minute walk from Sendagaya Station on the JR Chuo Sobu line. Number 19. The Japan Olympic Museum, located next to the iconic National Stadium. This modern museum showcases memorable moments from the past Olympics through interactive exhibits and displays. You can see real Olympic torches, medals, and uniforms from different years, and even try virtual sports activities. The museum tells the inspiring stories of Japanese Olympic athletes and highlights Japan's 4 Olympic Games: Tokyo 1964, Sapporo 1972, Nagano 1998, and Tokyo 2020. With English descriptions throughout the museum, it's easy to understand and enjoy, even if you don't know much about Olympics. Number 20. Meiji Jingu Gaien Gingko Avenue is one of Tokyo's most beautiful spots, especially in the fall. This long tree-lined street features over 140 ginkgo trees, which turn a bright golden yellow from mid-November to early December. The avenue offers a peaceful atmosphere and is a popular place for walking, photography, and enjoying the seasonal colors. Located near Aoyama Ichome and Gaien stations, it is easy to access by subway. Visitors can stroll under the trees, relax on nearby benches, or stop at the cafes and restaurants. Alright, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Motion Travel for more Tokyo travel tips.